How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Let's get started. Launch settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Disable for this option. Wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Then head back. Enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then again disable it. Likewise, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then what you have to do is scroll down. Click on the option Privacy and Security. Now head over to this option, Location Services. From this list of options, navigate to the option System Services. Now disable for the option Networking and Wireless. Then give a fresh restart to your device. Then again enable for this option. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Next, head back. Now navigate to the option General. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Lastly, what you want to check is head back. Click on the option Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Disable for this option. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your iPhone will connect to the Wi-Fi. So this way you can fix iPhone Wi-Fi connectivity issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.